How to factory reset on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can factory reset on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to factory reset your Windows 10 or either your Windows 11 as well, you may just follow this process. Head over to your settings, Windows plus I, and your settings will open up. You just need to scroll down on your settings until you're able to find the option called update and security. There will be a bunch of options. You're just gonna look for the update and security option, which is on last. After that, simply click on it, and after clicking on it, you'll be taken to another page where on the left side you'll be finding different options. You're just gonna look for the option called recovery. You can find Windows Update, Delivery Optimization, Windows Security, Files Backup, Troubleshoot, and different options. Just go to the recovery section, just tap on it, and then you can find this reset this PC option here. You just need to tap on this get started, and you'll get two options here, like you choose to keep your personal files and remove them, or completely remove each and everything of that particular device of your laptop or PC. You can find this option, keep my files and remove everything. If you want to keep your files and reset your device, just tap on keep my files and it will reset after that and remove everything otherwise. So therefore, that's how you basically reset your Windows 10. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.